Hello everyone. So today we will learn about installation process of MongoDB. So I'll tell you step by step. So first we need to download .msi file, which is executable file, through this mongodb.com website, so that we can directly install it. If you download it using this link, I'll show you. Okay, so you can download it through this link and you can execute and you can double click after that so that you can install that setup, and the setup get automatically installed in this location unless we are giving it other location. Now what we can do after installation of MongoDB, we can create a directory on which we want to work. So we can open command prompt using cmd. We can open the command prompt and we can make these to C directory, and we can make a new directory. So we have made a new directory, new folder in the C directory with the db new folder. Now we can run MongoDB server. So MongoDB server can be invoked using mongod.exe, and we have to give the db path for the folder we have made to work on a particular database. Okay, so I have to copy this and open the command prompt using cmd, run the command. Now the MongoDB server gets started. Now the MongoDB server gets started. Now we have to run the client, Mongo client, so as to run the queries we want. So we have opened the command prompt and we need to run mongo.exe, and this is the total path where the mongo.exe is present, and if we run this directly, it will run the Mongo client. So it will connect to the MongoDB database. Now we can do anything like we can create database with any name we want. We can create collection as the tables we call in SQL, we call the similar structure as a collection here. Although it is a NoSQL database, there is nothing like structured here. The data can be in any form, and with any number of fields we can add to a particular collection. We can create a collection, we can insert data in that collection, we can update the data, or we can delete the data from the collection. So it's the way we can do it. Yeah, and we can see the queries, the CRUD operations we generally implement. So we can take the help of docs.mongodb.com and we can get the commands to create a collection and to insert data into the collection and to delete data from the collection and so on.